Er staat ook op verboden op te staan.
Professioneel, schei What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We are in Belgium today at this brand new parkour park. We have Daniel, we have Finn. Maybe you don't know Finn, but this is Finn. We have Jelle over there, and we have Niels up there. Just arrived, time to warm up. Let's go.
That's not good enough!
Yo. Door. Kom op. Hoppa.
Hij komt niet goed.
Ik denk dat hij nog zo wat heeft gereden.
Boom.
Oh.
Wat is? Blah.
Okay guys, we're doing some skill challenges right now. We just did some lines, so now it's time for some challenges. We just scan a QR code with our phone, and then you get a YouTube link with all different kind of videos you can try just for fun. So yeah, let's go.
Oh ja. Oh ja. Go. Zo, oh. Het is een beetje nat. Er staat ook op verboden op te staan.
Echt leuk. Ja, is goed. Ga door. Oh
Ja, hou vast. Let's go.
Dan switch. Ja, zo ja.
Let's go.
Leg mijn telefoon even hier zo tussen liggen. Dat het zo langer was. Ik pakte op die rand. Ja.
Daniel cheat hem gewoon. Daniel gaat gewoon cheaten.
Nee.
Ga je doen? Wat wil je nou? Kijk deze twee apen.
Chill. Die heeft een bekertje of zo.
Nee.
Kun je het weglaten?
Let's go. Omhoog. Nou, hoe kunnen het ook?
Oh, die laatste is eng hè?
Die laatste is echt kakka.
Jongeman, verboden op te staan.
Jongeman, wat doe jij nu? Sick. Yo.
Hey.
Wat ben je dan? Daniel dan?
Nee, ga het niet doen. Okay guys, the rain came down, so we decided to drive 1.5 hours further down south in Belgium. So now we are back at the Nuzaro gym in Namur. I just learned a new move. If you know Charouz the chef, you should know the move I'm going to do right now. And I learned it from Bart. He's back. How you doing?
I'm good, man. How are you doing?
Okay, let's see the move.
Back over there for me.
Oi!
That was a good one, man. Fuck this.
Oh, sick. New move! See. Ja! Oh, spit! Boom! Yes!
Oh.
A few moments later.
So. Yes. Leg hem dan maar neer.
Dat was echt... Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will stop the vlog here. Thank you so much for the Move event, and thank you so much to Nuzaro Gym for having us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Keep training, have fun. See you next Friday.